Welcome to the Calming Anxiety Podcast, your moment for guided daily meditation, a beautiful, relaxing affirmation, and a little time out for the soul. So find that quiet place now, all to yourself, where you won't be disturbed, somewhere relaxing and comfy to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, and with your thoughts, your imagination, expand your awareness to explore and appreciate all the feelings within and around your chest as you breathe, to focus completely to the exclusion of all other thoughts on the beautiful rhythmic rise and fall of each and every breath, to truly, intimately be aware of every moment as your chest expands, rises, as it draws in every life-giving breath to fill the space within your lungs with excitement, ambition, courage, and compassion, to always be mindful of the pause between every in and out breath. And as you exhale, to be completely aware and focused on the wonderful feeling of letting go, of relaxation and release, that deep, deep sigh to the very core of your soul. Relax now and unwind, and let that feeling of release intensify with every out-breath, with every moment, with every word I say. Focus all of your mind on the feeling of relaxation and allow yourself now, this very moment in your day, to drift ever deeper into a natural, safe, trance-like state, a moment of mindful bliss as the turmoil within your own mind becomes calm, a sense of balance, of tranquility to flow through every thought. Relax and unwind deeper and deeper, and even if your mind wanders, distracted by random thoughts, sounds from outside, focus on that briefly, for these are normal. And when you're ready, refocus your beautiful mind on the almost hypnotic rhythm of the rise and fall of each and every breath, and imagine your thoughts floating further and further down, a true sense of ease, of calm to flow through your consciousness as you relax, releasing doubt, letting go of anger, of regret, letting your thoughts become still and pure. Relax now, deeper and deeper, so that within your beautiful imagination, you can visualize to see in your mind's eye these powerful words of permanent, positive change, to repeat them on every out-breath, silently but within your mind, to see each word brightly. So as you exhale, repeat, I set myself free. I set myself free. I set myself free. Free from the negativity of those around me. Free from the regrets and mistakes of my past. Free from the expectations of others. To become whole again. To reunite your mind, body and soul as one. To set yourself free from the darkness, the sadness, the pain of your past. To draw a line in the sand in this moment, right now, and move forward positively, with excitement, with the desire to explore all that you are. So relax ever deeper with every out-breath, and repeat once more, I set myself free. I set myself free. I set myself free. Because I am worthy. Worthy of change. Worthy of a new chance, a new beginning, a new way of thinking, of feeling, of reacting. To feel self-love, to feel pride in my journey. Because I am worthy. Relax and just float. Your thoughts pure, full of clarity and purpose. Relax and unwind, ready to embrace every challenge, every opportunity to learn, to grow, to open your heart and mind to your potential, the possibilities, the joy, the beauty, the excitement of the world around you, free from the inhibitions and negative expectations of everyone else, to stand tall and proud and to set yourself free. Relax and just float. Now take a deep intake of breath and start to reorientate your beautiful mind to all that the world has to offer. Take another deep breath now. Fill your lungs to the very top once more. Now stretching out the muscles in your arms and legs, and open your eyes and smile. And well done, and thank you for joining with me today in 10 minutes of taking back control of our lives to be the best versions of ourselves. It's not always easy. We will make mistakes. We will be affected without any control on our part by the negativity around us. But it's how we face these and bounce back that define our future. Trust in all that you are. Have a great day. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. And if you find these shows a true benefit, please do leave a review, or even better, share these with your social media so we can help even more people. Take care, my friend. Smile in the mirror. Try another 5 or 10 minutes of positivity just for you later today. And if you're going through darkness or sadness, hold on. It's worth it. So many of us have been there. And through hard work, and it is hard, we come out the other side better, bolder, brighter than ever before. So love who you are. Smile when you can. And in everything you do, simply be kind